17 Golden Rules for Writing ChatGPT Prompts. Explore today. 1. Define the objectives. Clearly state the purpose of your prompt to guide ChatGPT's response. 2. Specify the format. Indicate the desired structure, such as bullet points, tables, or paragraphs. 3. Assign a role. Instruct ChatGPT to assume a specific role like a marketer or educator to tailor the response. 4. Identify the audience. Clarify who the intended readers are to align the tone and content appropriately. 5. Provide context. Offer background information to help ChatGPT understand the scenario. 6. Set constraints. Define any limitations, such as word count or topics to avoid, to focus the response. 7. Use clear language. Avoid ambiguity by using precise and straightforward language. 8. Include examples. Provide samples to illustrate the desired outcome. 9. Specify the tone. Indicate whether the response should be formal, casual, or humorous. 10. Ask for step-by-step explanations. For complex topics, request detailed breakdowns to enhance understanding. Encourage creativity. Invite innovative ideas when appropriate to explore diverse perspectives. 12. Request citations. If needed, ask for sources to back up factual information. 13. Define technical terms. Clarify any jargon to ensure accurate interpretation. 14. Be concise. Keep prompts brief yet comprehensive to maintain focus. 15. Avoid multiple questions. Limit to one query per prompt to prevent confusion. 16. Test and refine prompts. Experiment with different phrasings to achieve optimal